G'day everybody. We've just returned home recently from a trip down into New South Wales camping off-grid in national parks. This particular caravan of ours has got two LiTime 100 amp batteries of the Bluetooth type. Anyway, this van, everything is 12 volt when you're off-grid, so you've got to rely on what you've got. We've got fans, we've got TV, we've got radio, we've got a 12 volt water pump. The awning outside is an automatic awning, runs on 12 volt for it to go in and out. There's three of us to go away. We've all got iPhones, iPads, we've got cameras that need the batteries charging. We do all that taking the power out of the batteries in this van. There is only one solar panel on the roof of this van. It's a 200 watt solar panel. And we had no problems. 2 weeks, and it wasn't sunny every day. In fact, we had a couple of days it was very overcast and we had rain. So as far as those batteries goes, I'm very impressed. They do a great job. We never run out of power. We didn't even look like running out of power. These screen captures are showing just some of the information that the Bluetooth batteries send to the app on the phone, so you can monitor exactly what the batteries are doing at the time.